Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can create decorators with arguments. Okay. Currently, right now, our decorators do not take any sort of arguments, right? So decorators can accept their own arguments by adding another wrapper level. Okay. So let's see that in action. First of all, we are having this particular one, the change case here. Okay. So currently right now, what I want to do, depending on a condition, I want to just turn the string, which is this function is returning, to uppercase or lowercase. Okay. So how we can do that? First of all, what we have to do, we have to define another function, def change case, that can be of same name, and it will take a number. Okay. All right. And now what I'll do, I'll just do something like this. Okay. And after the wrapper, I will return the change case. Okay. So this change case function is defined inside of this particular change case function, right? And that is why this is enclosed within this function. In case if you do not want to have this change case, then what you can do something like inner func, something like that. It doesn't matter. Okay, the name doesn't matter. All right, so we are having this change case function here, and this change case function is taking a num, and here we are having the inner function which is taking the function. Okay, this is taking the decorator basically, and then we are having the wraps inside of the functools. In case if you do not know what I am talking about, please check out the video where we have discussed how we can preserve the metadata of the decorated functions. Okay, all right. Then we are having the wrapper here. Okay, all right. And now what I want to do something like this. So there, what I can do something like if number equals to 1, then I want to do is, let's declare a variable result equals to, I want to do something like this. So cut it out from here, paste it down here. So if number is 1, then I want to do uppercase, else I want to do result equals to, I want to do the same thing, but I want to turn it lowercase. Okay. And then after that, we can just return the result. Okay. Then we are returning the wrapper, and then we are returning the inner function here. Okay. All right. So now formatter is doing its job. So now, as you can see, our code is being formatted here. Now what I can do something like this. So we are having this greet function here. So here, after this one, I can just pass 1. Okay, so if I do that, and then what I'll do, I'll just get rid of these ones and get rid of these ones as well. And here, what I can do something like this. So now what we can do result equals to greet, and we have to pass the name, which is John. Okay, and now we can print the result. All right, so now let's see what happens. So here we are passing 1. So here inside of this decorator, this number is 1. That is why it will be uppercased. Run the program. We are getting hello John. In case if we pass 2 here, okay, let's do that here. Okay, all right, run that, and as you can see, we are getting lowercase here. Okay, so our decorator is running properly. So as you can see, in this way, we can create a decorator that can accept the arguments. Okay, to create a decorator that can accept the arguments, what we have to do, we have to create our another level of function, basically the outer function. And then inside of that, we have to create our inner function, which will take the function. The outer function will take the parameter, which we want to pass inside of the decorator. And the wrapper function, which is the most inner function, will do the logic. And after that, we have to return the result here from the wrapper. Then we have to return the wrapper, and then we have to return the inner function altogether. I know this is a little bit confusing, but I am doing my best to simplify the things for you. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So in that way, we can create decorators with arguments. Okay, awesome.